In this video, we will continue with Word 2016. In the last video that I sent you before Essay 1 exam, we learned how to apply different text effects, how to copy formatting from one line of text to another line of text using Format Painter, and how to clear formatting means removing all the formatting using Clear All Formatting icon. Today we will learn how to copy text, paste text where we want, and move text. I'm opening an old Word file that you created while attempting 21st August homework. So we will be using this file while practicing today's work. I hope you all have this file. In the last video, we learned copying formatting using Format Painter, which is present in the Home tab, Clipboard group, and this is the Format Painter. Today we are learning copying text. Means the words that I have typed in this document, if I want the same text to appear in some other place in this document or in some other document, then I will not type it again and waste my time and energy. Instead, I can copy and paste it at the location where I want the same text to appear. Let's do practical, then it will be clear to you all. The icon for copying is also present in the Home tab, Clipboard group, and this is the icon Copy. See, now it is disabled. Means if I click on it, it will not work. And why is it disabled? Because to copy some text, I need to select it first, right? Only then I can copy it. So copying is a two-step process. Step 1 is select the text that you want to copy. Let's copy this first sentence. We can use mouse to select, like click and drag, or you can also use your keyboard keys, shift with arrow keys. So step 1 is done, selecting the sentence or the text that you want to copy. Now see, one extra space is selected. So this will result into pressing enter key. I will show you how, but just remember you have to select little ahead, just select one more space when you are selecting a sentence. So step 1 is done. Step 2 is click on Home tab, Clipboard group, and this copy icon. Okay. See how the icon appears, how this icon looks. We can also use keyboard keys, which are Control, which is like CTRL, and key C. So hold both the keys together, CTRL and C, then also we can copy the text. I am pressing on this copy icon. Now what happens when we click on this button? Put a copy of the selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Means the text which is selected is saved in a temporary storage area called clipboard. That happens when I click on the copy option. Now we have to paste it. Means actually put it in the location where we want it to appear. So for paste also it's a two-step process. Step 1 is click with the mouse or your arrow keys of the keyboard to place the cursor where you want that text to appear, where you want the text to paste. I am clicking at the end of 5th sentence, pressing enter so that I get the next number. And now this is the location, this is the place where I want to copy my first sentence. So first step is done of paste, which is keep your cursor at the location where you want to paste. And step 2 is click on Home tab, Clipboard group, and in the center of this paste icon, click on it and see the sentence which was copied is pasted And I told you, no, one extra space was also copied. So it results into pressing enter key. This is what I was telling you. And instead of pressing in the center, you can also use this down arrow and select the first option. Okay. Now remember one thing. Once we copy the text to clipboard, we can paste it multiple times. You can just keep clicking on this paste button and it will keep pasting. And this is the reason I told you to select one more space so that it results into pressing enter, so that if you want to paste it multiple times, enter is automatically pressed in that. You don't have to press enter every time. Okay, so you can paste it multiple times by just clicking on this icon. There are also keyboard keys, Control and V. So CTRL with V key together, if you press, then also you can paste your text which is copied in the clipboard. So I hope copy and paste is clear to you all. I'll delete the extra sentences. We just need one. So when we copy, the same text appears at the another location. So it means that the same text appears at two locations, the old place and even at the new place. Both the places the text is appearing when we select copy. When we do copy or when we select this copy option. Okay. Next we will learn about moving the text. Moving means the text will be removed from the old place and will only appear in the new place. Moving text is also a two-step process. Step 1 is select the text that you want to move. I am selecting this second sentence now. So first step is done, select the sentence. Step 2 is click on Home tab, Clipboard group, and this is the icon for cut. See how the icon looks? There is a scissor to indicate cut. Instead of clicking on this icon, you can also use keyboard keys CTRL with X. And see, if you click on this icon, what it does, remove the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else, which means that when you click on this icon, that particular sentence is going to be copied to the clipboard and it will get deleted from the place where it was existing. I'll just show you. Okay, this was my selected sentence. So if I click on this cut, it will be copied to the clipboard and it will get deleted from its old place. So I'm clicking on this. So this happens when you click on the cut icon or you press Ctrl plus CTRL plus X key. Now cut part is done. Okay. Now same like in copy, we have to paste it where we want to move it, right? So paste is again a two-step process. As I told you earlier, step 1 is click where you want to paste. So I want to paste it as a sixth sentence. So click at this location and now we have to paste. So click on this Home tab, Clipboard group, paste icon, or you can also use keyboard keys CTRL with V or down arrow and the first option. Okay. Now again, as I had selected one space there, an enter key is pressed. That effect comes there. So wherever my cursor was located, the text gets pasted there. So this is moving and see the text is deleted from its old place and it is appearing only in the new place. So this is called moving. Now let's delete this number 7 as we don't need it. So I'm pressing backspace. Okay, so I'm pressing backspace key and to remove the number 7. So this is how we move the selected text. Okay, the icon is cut. It shows with a scissor or keyboard keys Ctrl X, and when we cut it, the text appears only in the new location. It gets deleted from its old location. So I hope you have understood how to move the text and copy the text. Please children, immediately now do the homework after watching this video and upload it in the homework section of Computer Science team. And your homework is, I'll just show you 1 second. So this was your file. In the beginning, your homework is you have to copy the first sentence to sixth sentence. So you are going to select, step 1 is select the sentence. Step 2, click on copy icon. Now we have to paste. So again 2 steps. Click at the end of fifth sentence. Press enter. So this is the location where I want to paste. And step 2 is click on this home tab, clipboard group, paste icon. It is pasted. Your first question is done. Copying first sentence to sixth sentence. This was your first question. Now the second question is move the second sentence as the last point. This point. So I'm selecting the second sentence. Click on cut. Click at the last point and paste. Okay. And last, delete this seventh point. So this is your second question. Move the second point as the last point. The output of your file should be like this. Okay, so please upload it in homework section of Computer Science team as a Word file only. Please upload only Word file. Okay, don't convert it to PDF. That's all in this video. Thank you.